Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your photo background by using Hypik photo editor. So first of all, open your Hypik photo editor, then import image which you want to add in your background. So click on import. You can choose any color from here. Also you can import any image from your gallery. So I will import image from my gallery, this one. So I select this image here. Now import your image from where you want to remove the background. For that, go to this import picture option, click on import picture and import your picture here. So I will import this picture. Now you have to click on auto select. When you will click on auto select, then automatically your image will be selected. You can preview from here like this. You can press here to preview your image. If your photo is not cut properly, then you can manually select the colors, like for example, if the automatic selection is like that, you can use quick select tool like this, or you can select manually. Now I will erase it again and I will select these sides manually, right? So you can add color which you want to remove, and you can also use this quick selection tool, but I will erase by this manual selection. And now click on this tick icon over here. Now you can see our background is removed, so you can set this image on any side you want to add. Now just click on merge layers, then your all layers or image will be merged. If you want to further edit this image, you can choose this crop tool or all of these tools. When your editing will be complete, save your photo from this arrow down button. So this is how you can easily change your background by using Hypik photo editor. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.